Hello! Sorry about that. Up on my to the song. Up on my to the song. You know what I'm saying? On my to the song. I'm saying that. To the song. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna take this and go. Here's gonna be one light hit, another light hit, but now this is going to be hard. Nope. The thing that I want this to be is flat. Flat and flat only. That's what happened. Okay, that is what happened to that. Now we're gonna try this. You guys see that? Okay, this Axe is a product that I use. Okay, okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god! And also, I'm gonna, and this is how I say, I love your product. This is what happened so far. That, and that. Okay. So now I am going to be trying it from sideways. Yay! Finally. And I love this brand. I love this brand, and this is why I'm doing this. Oh crap, it still had more. Okay, now I wanna, it smells like apple juice. Sit up all night to the sun. Now I'm gonna be doing this. Sorry. Ooh, totally missed that. Yeah, I finally got this out. This is what it looks like on the inside before. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, so it hit from right there. That's where it landed. So it went through there and right there. And where are you thinking, well, you are gonna go? Let me tell you something. You are not gonna go away. Song, up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get. Oh my god. Okay, so that's how it is. And this took like 25 hits. That is insane. Little bird. Guess what you get? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. One gigantic hit. Another gigantic hit. I feel like I'm Thor. Okay, let's go from the bottom. And because the bottom, literally, look at that. That guy, nothing hurt. Nothing. That's nothing to compare to that. That. Look. Yeah, I might be doing some top, but I sure want to get some bottom in there. But first, oh, think we got in there. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. But that actually kind of sucks. I'm not gonna let this out. Here we are. I'm gonna let this out. Oh my god, this metal's so freaking hard. This is freaking metal, I have to say. Look! Nothing to compare to all of this. Now we're actually going to get into the... Oh my god. I hate lice. Get lucky. Yay, finally we got some damage on that part. There. I am going to be doing some more, but this is going to be for the top now. Yeah. Sorry. So that's one broken piece, and millions of others. Poor thing. But this is the frick? What the frick are these? Flat. Upon this song. Here you are. This is how much I got. This is what actually kind of happened. So So guys, if you actually think from earlier into now, think about that. Now, some of you say that this is barely anything. Fine, then show me. If you're actually YouTubers. I am Almighty Thor! Oh, good. This thing got, like, damaged. God! I need to just go all Hulk and bring out the freaking sledgehammer! Come out, wherever you are! I'm about to be done. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Omega Mighty Thor! Oh my goodness. Look at that! And I can barely do anything to it. I want to get that freaking front off of there! Oh my god! Fine. Bottom. Who we are, we are. Sorry. Oh my god. Look, it's completely flat. Okay. The spot that I'm aiming for is the middle. Oh my god! Really? Well, look at this. Look. I want to freaking destroy. Sorry if you don't like this video, but it's still gonna go on. I don't care what you guys say. I don't care about any of you. Well, the only people that I care about is my family and people that appreciate my videos. Oh my god! And I'm done. Thank you and goodbye. And good.